the new energy and climate package and agriculture. In broad terms, what the new package means for agricultural sector and farmers in Europe.
Well, obviously this is the first step to discussing what will happen, but basically we're looking at new commitments beyond 2020 for greenhouse gas emission reductions and for renewable energy. As far as the greenhouse gas emissions are concerned, it's clear that agriculture at the moment is not involved in the emissions trading system, and it's clear that it will have to start to be involved. Linked also to this question of land use change and forestry, so it's not clear how it will be incorporated, but clearly that has to be included in some form. And similarly, as far as the renewables are concerned, obviously we're looking there at setting higher targets. But I stress this is what happens beyond 2020, and the key point of these proposals is really to set a longer-term agenda to help investment, to encourage research, and one element, for example, is on biofuels, on renewables. What is clear is that first-generation biofuels in future will not be counted towards this, and therefore we have to look to encourage more second-generation biofuels, and we hope that this is giving a clear signal. As far as agriculture is concerned, of course, agriculture is affected by climate change and has a contribution to make, and there are elements there which farmers would be doing anyway, but of course this will encourage more people to go along the lines of precision farming, for example, to reduce fertilizer input, using manure and better manure management schemes, maybe as biogas in itself and other renewable production from agricultural waste. That is unquestionably an element that will come in. And it's clear that agriculture can make a large contribution to greenhouse gas emission reduction. We have already made a large contribution, and that is politically one of the things that will be very important, to make sure that that contribution is taken into account in discussing these things. But of course, this is the first step. The proposal has come out now. The idea is that heads of government look at it in March and we get a clearer picture of where we want to go by the end of this year, and then of course we start getting into more of the detail.